How to insert Word documents into PowerPoint in 60 seconds. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to open MS PowerPoint on your laptop or PC. Now open up any existing presentation or a new one. Now you want to click on the Insert option and from there select Object. Once you're here, you want to select the option of Create from File. Now this is going to insert the contents of the file as an object into your presentation so that you can activate it using the application that created it. Now click on the Browse option and locate the file from here. Once you have located it, select it and click on the Open option. Now if you want it to be displayed as an icon, check the box that says Display as Icon and click on the OK option. Once you do that, you can find the MS Word icon over here. If you click on this icon, the MS Word file is going to open up. Now, even though you send this file to someone, the MS Word document is also going to open in their folder. Now, if you do not want the icon but want the text, then follow the same steps and click on the Object option. Click on Create from New and click on Browse. Select your file and click on OK. Now you do not want to check the box that says Display as Icon and click on the OK option. Once you do that, you will find that the text has now appeared. And this is how you can insert Word documents into Microsoft PowerPoint, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.